what should we type? We should type, what is your name? Right. Question mark. And in case that we forget what this code serve, what purpose this code serve, we can have a hashtag here. This is to define a variable using the input function. Any spelling error? Oh, okay. And then we click enter. Okay, to the next line. So right now we already let the users enter their name, right? And then we want to return. So this program is to return the text we have just seen, right? So like hello, user's name, you're gonna ace this class. Okay, so what should we do? We should use the print function we have just introduced, right? Print parentheses, quotation mark, hello, class name, class. Okay. Okay, and then we want to print another line. Print you're gonna ace this class. Okay, so let's try run it. So you can first try run yourself. See what happens. It won't destroy. It won't break your computer. Just run it. See what happens. Okay, let's do it together. Run modular. Oh, again, forget to save. First save it, and then run modular. What's your name? My name is Zhe. So I type Zhe here and enter. Well, it says that I'm gonna ace this class. Is this program works for you guys? If there is some error, so don't worry about it. I will introduce it later. How to deal with those errors? Okay. So if I just print run and run it. Right. What's your name? Again, my name is Zhe. Right. My name doesn't change. Oops. So there is an error. So when this happens, please don't be panic. You can just read the error message and find the corresponding line and correct it. So let's read this error message. So trace back. Master recent call last. I'll see you're gonna name error. Oh, it says name prince is not defined. So it's like a spelling error, right? And it also says do you mean print? So this just indicates that I have a spelling error. And it also indicates this is in line 7. So where is line 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 7, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we find where the error is. But here we only have 7 rows of code. However, in the next several class, you may have like hundreds of rows of code. So what to do at that time? You cannot count it yourself, right? So here we can click this option and show line numbers. Oh, and then we can see this is line 7. Again, option, hide line numbers, option show line numbers. So if you let this IDLE show the line numbers, and it can help you debug quickly. Then count it yourself, right? Oh, let me change this, correct this mistake. Print and save it. And let's try to run again. What's your name? Oh, it works this time. Do you guys have any problem running it? If yes, so please check the whether this function is lowercase or uppercase. So in most functions in Python, we use lowercase instead of uppercase. Okay, and please make sure this is English form parentheses. If this is a Chinese form parentheses, then it would also not work. Okay. Just before coding, just change your language into English so that you won't have to debug many times just to find the Chinese form parentheses. Okay, this is also a good practice. So actually, it's quite normal that our codes have errors, actually including me. So when you have those errors, do not stress. Just read the message and check your codes. And try to debug yourself and try to Google. Actually, many times Google can solve like 90% of your problems. And you search Python error, and you will easily find the answer. Okay? Let's try it. If we have this error, we can just Google it. Okay, looks like you type print where you mean print. So this guy make this uppercase, so it runs error, right? So when you have errors, just Google it, and I think Google can help you a lot, and it can solve you like 90% of your problem. Okay. All right. I think that's all for our lecture 1. So in this course, we introduce some basic structure for Python, and together we install Python, and we have our first program, that is Hello World. And in the next week, if we check our schedule, what we will do? So in the next week, we will introduce numbers, and next week's content will be much harder than this class. So when you come back, please. So when you're back, please just make class work 1 and homework 1, and before coming to the class, please review for quiz 2. Okay? Since this is the first class, we have not so much content, so we just end our class here. But for the next time, we'll have a